For today, we're in Newbridge Community Centre. We've been really fortunate through the Shared Prosperity Fund to receive 1.2 million worth of funding, which has supported energy improvement works in community buildings throughout the whole of Powys. And when I mean the whole of Powys, I mean starting in Llanfyllin in the north, lots of projects in mid Powys, carrying on to Ystwyth Lais in the south.
The work that's taken place thanks to the Shared Prosperity Fund are replacing all the windows and doors to efficient, draft-proof and rain-proof windows, because we were having problems with rain egress through some of the larger windows. The heating has been updated and improved, and we've got also all the lights have been changed to LED lights. The hall is shared use. It's used by the school and the community. Today we've got the play group using the hall. The community use the hall for lots of varied reasons, from children's parties to dinners to bingo. The list goes on and on.
We're now moving on to Llanfyllin Youth and Community Centre that's been funded by the Shared Prosperity Fund.
The Youth and Community Centre holds a variety of events. So we have yoga classes, we have creative writing, qigong, Welsh learners group, and most of these groups meet weekly. So the UK Shared Prosperity Fund has allowed us to have new windows, new LED lighting, insulation. We've had solar panels fitted. Our heating system has been improved so that we can isolate two parts of the building now. So when the library is closed, we don't have to heat it any longer. Thanks to the UK Shared Prosperity Fund, this building is now equipped to be more sustainable. It's just warmer, it's friendly, it's going to cut down on the bills for the heating, it's going to make it more inviting for people to come in and to use the facilities and to rent out the space.